Hi, in this short tutorial, we will learn how to create a custom talking AI character without using a PC. Yes, on your smartphone. So let's begin our step-by-step guide. First, open Google search. Leonardo AI. Check the first link. It's written. Unleash your creativity with the power of Leonardo AI. Create production-quality visual assets for you. Now, open the link. Click Create an account. Yes, I'm whitelisted. Let it open. At top left, you'll see free 150 credits. Scroll to check some amazing artwork created with Leonardo AI. At top right, you'll find featured models and select one that suits your photo idea. I will select Dreamshaper version 7. Click Generate with this model. Let me erase the prompt type, a prompt that gives proper shape to your idea. You can also enable Add Negative Prompt. Choose the suitable image size from left sidebar. Select the number of images that you need. Adjust the guidance scale. And now click Generate. Wait for some seconds. Oh, wow. See the result. It's amazing. This is what I needed. I'll select the third picture. Wow, check the details. Awesome. Click Download Image. Now again, open Google and search Hagen. Open the first link. Here you'll get 1 free credit to create your talking avatar. Click Create Video. At the top right menu, you'll see Pick an Avatar option. Scroll down to check the already available public avatars. Now select Photo Avatar, then Upload Asset. Select the image to make a talking avatar. Let it upload. Picture is processed successfully. See there, open the avatar. At bottom right paste, your text script. Select the background AI voice. You'll see many options there. Opt male or female, then select one from the list. In the top bar, press Submit. Finally, your AI talking character will be readying in a few seconds. It's done. Click Download. Play the video.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
Amazing. In making of this tutorial, I've used a simple smartphone only. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe for many more interesting tutorials.